Hey there, nature lovers. Today I'm taking you on a breathtaking journey flying over Italy in stunning 4K Ultra HD. Imagine the wind gently caressing your face as we soar above this beautiful country. Our adventure begins in the rolling hills of Tuscany. Watch as the vibrant green vineyards stretch out beneath us like a patchwork quilt of nature's finest. The golden hues of the sunset bathe the landscape in a warm, magical light. Next, we glide over the iconic city of Florence. See the famous Duomo, its grandeur even more striking from above. The Arno River snakes through the city, reflecting the historic bridges and buildings that line its banks. As we continue our journey, we find ourselves above the enchanting Amalfi Coast. The turquoise waters shimmer, contrasting beautifully with the rugged cliffs and quaint, colorful villages. It's a scene straight out of a dream. Our final stop takes us to the majestic Dolomites. These towering peaks, dusted with snow, stand proudly against the clear blue sky. The valleys below, lush and green, provide a stark yet harmonious contrast. So sit back, relax, and let the soothing music wash over you as we explore these stunning landscapes together. Don't forget to subscribe to Council Craft for more incredible nature videos. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired. Thank you for flying over Italy with me. See you in the next adventure.